So this is the inside of the printer. So we open the cartridges, also remove the seal. This one, yes. So this one comes out, okay. And that's black, right? Yes. So there's a B here, so it's on this side. Okay, and you can do the same for the color cartridge. Okay, now we can close it. Okay, so once it's firm now next the ink bottles. So we'll start with one. So we can open the black. We'll just see if there's any other instruction of open. Okay, just twist it open, yeah? Okay, then open the plan. Okay. Okay, so once this is open, so we pop, but we have to make sure that it reaches the upper limit, so it should not pass this line here.
Here.
Sorry. Okay, I think that's fine, so that we don't overdo it. Okay, then we close it. Okay. I think there's a circuit somewhere. It is here. Okay, so next we move to the colors. So there are three colors: magenta, yellow, and cyan. So we can open this as well and fill them in. So you just open the nozzles like this. And they also have upper limits, so to make sure you don't put beyond the upper limit. That's fine. Okay, so we close the nozzles. They should be firm. So you can confirm this one is firm. Okay, then I think we are good to go. Now we close the final printer. Okay, then we can now connect it to power. So this is the ADF feeder, the maximum capacity of 20 pages. So scan, photocopy, fax, settings. Okay, it's on?
Yeah.
Okay, so power it on here. This is a tray for paper. Do you have some pen papers? Okay, so we didn't install the cartridges properly. So it's saying install the cartridges properly. Let's see the let me say install the cartridges. Okay, so we can open it up and see where we went wrong. Okay, so color. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. I think we forgot to lock the cartridges. So please remember to lock the two blue parts there. Okay. So at least this video will help many people because many of our clients are from out of Lusaka. So you find at times they'll purchase the item, then they'll struggle to set it up, and then we're very fast, so we can't help them. Yeah. So at least this video will enable them to know how to set up. Okay. So now it will come language to English. The ink tanks filled with ink. So it's asking. So since we've already filled, you just select yes. Oh, so this is yes. Okay. Prepare for connection. Okay, so now we have to connect the USB cable. Now I've just noticed normally the USB cable is not included, it has to come separately. So I have to continue with that. Ready to connect. Okay. Okay, so that's basically it to set up the printer for it to be ready to print and copy. I think I'll make another video for the next stages.